How to use ShipRush review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. ShipRush is a shipping software that simplifies label creation and order management, but beginners often waste time or money by misusing it. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is skipping integration setup. Most users get this wrong by manually importing orders from marketplaces instead of connecting platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Shopify. Proper integration automates the process and reduces errors. Second mistake, ignoring carrier options. You won't believe how many people stick to one carrier without comparing rates. ShipRush allows multi-carrier shipping, which can save money and improve delivery times if used correctly. Third mistake, entering incorrect shipment details. The surprising truth is that wrong weights, dimensions, or addresses can lead to delays, extra fees, or return packages. Always double check before printing labels. Fourth mistake, neglecting tracking updates. Beginners often assume shipments are delivered on time without monitoring them. ShipRush offers tracking notifications that ensure you're aware of delays or issues in real time. Finally, failing to optimize bulk shipments is common. ShipRush supports batch processing, yet many users handle orders one at a time. Using bulk tools improves efficiency and reduces human error. Using ShipRush properly means setting up integrations, comparing carriers, verifying shipment details, enabling tracking, and using batch tools. Avoid these beginner mistakes and enjoy faster, cheaper, and more reliable shipping for your business.